obvious spice was the garlic flakes, which you can taste and see, but just that other spice is the one that is throwing me completely out.
Right, contestants, your first tasting dish is tomatoes. You're going to need to identify 2 correct Robertson spices. Off you go.
It looks like oregano on the plate, and I can see some fine garlic, so from the get-go I feel confident. To differentiate between garlic salt, crushed garlic and the flakes, that's going to be a problem for me to see which one is which.
I don't taste just one herb. I taste a couple of herbs. I'll go with the mixed herbs. And then I was stumped.
I decided to go for a garlic, which is quite prominent, and also an Italian herbs.
I sort of automatically went for the mixed spice option.
It doesn't look like plain oregano because it looks like it's a mixed spice.
The first 3 contestants to get the incorrect combination will go into a pressure test. Let's see who got the first one right. Crushed garlic.
It's crushed garlic, and quite a few of us got crushed garlic.
Jason, Leandri, Joni and Kumo, 4 of you got the first one right. Karen, Sinette and Neil, you didn't get it right. Time to reveal the second one.
Just lift the thing and show me whether it's oregano or not. That's all I want to know. Oregano.
Oregano. Leandri, you got both right.
Well done.
We all got it wrong, so I wasn't feeling too bad. Rock on for Leandri. Good for her.
The more challenges come, the more fearless I think I'm becoming. I'm going to be more bold with my decisions, just go with my gut feel and execute it to the best of my ability.
Our next sample, caramelized butternut. Let's have a taste.
I taste it immediately and it's sage. Then I taste cinnamon. I use cinnamon in butternut. I take it and I put it down.
I can immediately see that there's sage on the side. Couldn't decide whether it was nutmeg or cinnamon. I eventually just went with cinnamon.
I just could not get one spice coming out, you know, like clove or cinnamon. So I went for the mixed spice and I went for the mixed herbs.
I can spot the sage, and I just decide to take the nutmeg because it has a darker color than cinnamon, and the pumpkin looked a bit dark, so I put that down.
I'm convinced it's nutmeg, so I put that one down, and then I grab the sage bottle and hope it's the right one.
Right, have we all decided? First one. Sage.
Unfortunately, that was a big boo-boo.
Second spice in our combination.
There were 3 of us that had chosen cinnamon and 2 that had chosen nutmeg.
Is nutmeg.
Yes.
Joni and Kumo, you are both safe.
Thank you. Yes, please. I know my spices, so I would have kicked myself if I hadn't gone through.
The next dish that you're going to taste is chicken wings Chinese style. You need to identify 2 spices in that dish.
I immediately taste and see the garlic flakes, and I'm struggling to find the next ingredient.
I've been relying throughout the challenge too much on what it looks like instead of concentrating on the smell and the taste. I just started feeling the heat in the back of my throat, and I just knew there's ginger, because ginger always gives you that heat in your mouth.
Obvious spice was the garlic flakes, which you can taste and see, but just that other spice is the one that is throwing me completely out. Let's just go for mixed spice.
Well, let's find out what the right combination is. First spice is garlic flakes. And the second spice is ginger.
Rockin' the ginger. Ginger ninja. Oh yeah.